Assalamu alaikum, Savvy students. Hope you are all fine and having a good day. So, class 4, I am here with with your new lecture that is of maths. So, we are learning from the countdown second edition, and our today's topic is measurement. So, there are different units for measurement, how we measure the lengths of the different things or different objects. So, what are the units we will see in this? Okay, we measure small lengths in centimeters and millimeters, and if we have to measure the long lengths, then what will we use? We'll use meters, and if there are very long distances, so what we have to do? We have to measure it in kilometers. So basically, there are four types of measuring units that are millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Millimeters are used for really little or smaller object. Centimeters are used for objects that are not too small, that are normal. And for bigger lengths, that is for example a tree, your TV, your car, or something like that, will be measured in meters. And if you want to measure the distance, a long distance, a very long distance, then what will you use kilometers. For example, the distance between two cities, or you want to measure the distance from your school, distance between your school and your house, or you want to measure your house from your grandmother's house, that are very far distances, long distances. So what will you use kilometers for it. But if you want to measure the length of your board in the class, the length of your wall in a class, or you want to measure the car length or the trees length or aquarium length, then what will you use meters. And if you want to measure the you know what you want to measure, that type of your box, your spoon, your cake, piece of cake, that kind of smaller objects, you will measure it centimeters or millimeters. So centi means 1 by 100. Centi, what do you have to learn, that centi is the hundredth part of one. Okay. And then kilometers means thousand. In every kilometer there are 1,000 meters, and in every centimeter there are 10 millimeters. Okay, so moving toward our today's question, what is it? Okay, before it, this is an addition of the lens. So how will you add these lens? So basically your question is what do you know about it, is that how to add the lens, what will you do to adding these lens. So moving towards our question, so here's our question, that is 1 kilometer 734 meters, 4 kilometer 396 meters. What you have to do is to add them. So, if you will add them, then 6 plus 4 is equals to 10, and 0 will be right over here, and 1 will be over there. So, similarly, 9 plus 3 is equals to 12, and plus 1 equals to 13. 1 carry over here, 7 plus 3 is equals to 10, and 1 is a carry, so there will be 11. So, 1130 meters. यू विल नॉट, जब 7 + 3 आ जाएगा और 11 आ जाएगा हमारे पास, क्योंकि ऊपर एक कैरी था, तो हम उसको किलोमीटर पे कैरी नहीं डालेंगे, हम क्या करेंगे, उसको 11 को पूरा का पूरा वैसे ही लिख लेंगे. देन 4 + 1 = 5. अब हमें पता है कि हमारे पास 1130 मीटर्स हो गए हैं, और 1 किलोमीटर में कितने मीटर्स होते हैं, 1000 मीटर्स होते हैं. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको 1 किलोमीटर इस 1130 मीटर्स को कन्वर्ट करेंगे किलोमीटर्स में. तो ये कितने किलोमीटर्स बन जाएंगे, 1 किलोमीटर एंड 130 सेकेंड, एज 1130 मीटर्स कंटेन्स 1 किलोमीटर एंड 130 मीटर्स. तो हमने क्या किया, इसको कन्वर्ट करके 1 किलोमीटर और 130 मीटर्स कर दिया, और इसी को हमने साथ ही इसके अंदर ऐड भी कर दिया है. तो 130 मीटर्स विल बी द सेम एज पर अबव, बट 5 + 1 = 6 kilometers. So this is the end of our lecture. Hope you will enjoy it, and you have learned how to add these lengths, and stay blessed.